Okay. Okay, now I am proceeding with that. So this is the site address as I told earlier, 164.100.167.52/NICGEP/APP. So the user role is as it is regular one, nodal officer, departmental user, and then bidders. So bidders has to enroll by themselves, and nodal officer will give the department user. As per this testing site is considered, we have already provided 2 user IDs for each and every MMP state unit. So you can make use of it to test in this site. So here I am logging in as a departmental user. For this procedure, what is the prerequisite condition is the tender should come to up to AOC level. After AOC level, this post tendering will work. Actually, once it is implemented, the same site will have both AOC and then post tendering modules. Everything will be available in the left menu. But for this one, since this is entirely different site, we are creating and publishing, and we are doing AOC up to AOC, and we are doing the activities related to post tendering from the left menu. So the departmental user logging in. With the login ID and password. So the departmental user logging in with the user ID, password, and the second level authentication with the DSC and password. He has logged in, and this is the menu as usual: home, edit profile, logout. Here view profile, edit profile. This is the home, and left menu as it is up to AOC. It is similar to the demo site. That is the state site. So after that, we are able to see something called post award management. Under that, we are having so many links: create award nomination, publish award nomination, published award nomination, award declaration, work progress assessment, and then archive award declarations will be there. Under this create award nomination, we are going to create the nomination. Means once AOC is done, after that this award nomination we are creating it, and we are publishing the award nomination. Once it is published, the intimation will go. Sorry for the disturbance, it got disconnected. Now I connected it again. So I will go from the work progress assessment. Here the MBOK entries will be made, and archive award declarations will be moved to here. So as I told earlier, for the post tendering, up to AOC there is the tender should be finished up to AOC. So once AOC is finished, then we are going for post award management, create award nomination. By clicking on this, we will be able to see the tenders which has completed AOC. So these are the Can you able to see now? Yes. Okay. Okay, now you are able to see. Okay. Yes, actually, I got the response that everybody is able to see it. So now I am continuing. In the left menu, by clicking on create award nomination, so I will be able to see the list of tenders for which AOC is completed. So now I am clicking on the view button. Then view and action. These are the two bidders who have been given AOC for that particular tender through regular flow. Volume I am increasing. Somebody is not able to hear the voice. So now can you able to hear? One minute, I will share it again. Can't able to see. So now can you able to see? No, okay. So whether the lowest tender has been awarded, that is the whether L1 tender has been awarded. That is what the question. If it is yes, then there is no need to enter anything. If it is no, you have to enter the reason for not accepting the L1 bidder. The question is whether you have accepted the L1 bidder or not. If yes, there is no problem. If no, you have to enter the reason for not accepting the lower tender. That is the L1 bidder. Price variation claims applicable for item number. So this is some terms what they are using it. For that they have to give something. So next is the critical dates. So as I told earlier, once we are giving the award nomination, means after AOC, they are nominating someone for doing the work. Once the nomination is done, they are asking some documents to be uploaded by the bidder. So for that they have to give some timing. So date of commencement of work. Actually in actual process that will be in months or years or days or like that. But for demo purposes we want to show it immediately. So I have put everything as today with some minimal minutes. So date of commencement of work. So now I am putting around 2:30. So end. So I can give around 3:30. And date of submission of performance security. This also I can put up to. So it is around 35. Okay, not 25. Okay. Then document download start date. After this is done. Okay, date is the time. Okay. And up to the end date they will be able to upload. So this is the order to be followed. Actually the order is to be slightly changed. That is the date of commencement of work is the minimal date and the scheduled completion of the date should be the maximum. In between they have to download some starting date and time and end date and time and date of submission of performance security. For that also the starting date we are fixing. That is immediately after. So that is before this they have to give the date of submission of performance security. 14 or 15. Okay. So the validations will occur like this. Otherwise it will give some errors. So next. So this is the performance security details. So what will be the performance security amount? They have to mention. Deposit in percentage and amount. And performance security type include EMDP, exclude EMDP. If it include EMDP, they have to pay minus this amount, minus EMD amount. Exclude means apart from EMD, they have to pay this much amount. So this is the method. and payable at and payable to. At present it is offline only. Payable to. Oh, it is payable at and payable to, and payment mode offline, and they have to mention security deposit in what form they want, how much they want. So this is the milestones. So what are all the percentage wise they can give, or work wise they can give, like that they can give. By using this add, they can add 5 columns will be added more. So you can see now button is there. So how much they want they can do. That is lane up to 5 kilometers is one thing. Is for that what is the starting date and what is the ending date. As I told earlier, in actual thing it will be in months like that. Here we are giving it as some simple value. So what is the starting date and what will be the ending date, and what is the physical. Similarly, they can partition into any number of milestones. So these are the setting up of the milestones. By putting on next, it will go to request documents. So the bidders has to submit some documents. So those documents can be of PDF, XLS, JPG, where. So first document, it is the performance security. So document description and what is the type. So like our cover content, here we have to mention what are all the things they want. Document name DOQ, and document type should be XLS, this one. And similarly, if we want any number of documents, we can add one by one. So sometimes it may be some graphs or some to show the work progress. There may be some document they want, they can ask, and during the submission time the bidder will be able to submit. So what are all the things you are asking, that they will be able to upload. So next, by clicking on next, it is coming to the documents tab. Under the documents tab, it is like our NIT document, tender document, BOQ. We have to upload one by one. These are all the information for the bidders. So they have to give the tender document. What is the description and document. So these are the sample document as usual, which we are already having it. So it is asking for this. I will sign successfully. Now we are saving the document. As usual, we have to verify the document. We can view the document by using this, and we are saving it. So similarly, we have to upload the BOQ. And this BOQ is different from our regular BOQ. So you have to use the BOQ which we are providing here. Okay, the name will be. Okay, this is the post BOQ. And for testing purpose also, we will send the BOQ, and you have to use only this BOQ, because everything is entirely different from our regular BOQ. This is the post BOQ. So we are saving it and we are verifying it. Next. So this is the post tender details for create award nomination. So after AOC, we have selected one bidder. If multiple AOC is given, a single AOC is given to single person, there is nothing. If more than one, for each and every bidder we have to ask. It may be different from one bidder to another bidder. So it may be same also. So you have to give the request, that is the award nomination for each and every bidder. And as I told earlier, there will be 6 tabs, and we have to enter the data, and we have to upload some document, and we have to mention which are all the document we need from them. That also we have to specify, like the cover content, we have to give the critical date, and after doing all these things, we have to freeze. So once we freeze it, we have to publish it by using the left menu, publish award nomination. So now if you see create award nomination for that particular tender, for one bidder only we have started. So see now the status you can see, for one bidder I have entered the values for award nomination and I have freezed. So it is coming like this. So similarly I have to do for the other bidder also if I have to give the award nomination. So as per the department's request, they can do it. Requirement, they can do it. So publish award nomination. So which are all created, freeze, that will come over here and I have to view or publish. So if the date and time is there, I will be able to do it. Otherwise, I have to go and make changes. So the date is not improper. So I have to go and change it. So here I have to give the date and time. Now I am changing the date and time according to the current date is more. So no. Now 1 minute. Now you can see the change. Now it is given as in progress. So again I have to freeze it, then only it will come. Now I am freezing it again. So now I am going to publish. Publish award nomination. I am publishing. Publish. So now it has been moved to published award nomination. So any doubt in it, this is the creation of award nomination and the bidder has to upload the required document as per this. So that process we will continue by logging in as a bidder. So any doubt in it? Okay. So now I proceed as a bidder and I will show how they are uploaded. So the departmental user logs up. And the bidder, as I told earlier, they can enroll by themselves. That milestone, somebody is asking about the milestone part. So the milestone means if you take a building construction, there will be so many levels: foundation level, then RC level, and then finishing, and then furnishing. Like that, the departmental user usually for those kind of works and services, we are having so many things. Stages. So, and what they do, if you give award of contract to one person, means any bidder, So you have to, for laying of or construction of something, you have to give the money. The department has to give money. So that they will not give attestation. So they will check at each and every stage up to foundation level. They will release 20% of the money, and then like that wall level or sea level, like that for different kind of projects they have different kinds of milestones. And for each and everything they have specification, this much physical to be done and this much financial to be released. So this is called a milestone. As per our system is concerned, we make it as free, means they have to fix what is the physical and what is the financial. The departmental user can configure it and they can use it. So this is the thing what I have showed it. The departments who are already doing the tender process, they will know better. So if you discuss with them, you will come to know better. So this is called as milestones. So now I think you are clear. That is Mr. Sanant Sharma. He asked the query that he doesn't understand milestone part. So can you able to understand now? If you go through it. Yes, it is similar to work in progress only. And the department, that is a regular thing. They have some register, they have some procedures. In that they have what is milestone, they can clearly tell what it is. For this particular thing, for construction this is, for services this is, for laying of road they will be having different layers. So sand level, then they put some thing, grade, like that they do. After that they will do tar or cement. Like that every level, one by one level they have, and the thickness of the road, like that. So I hope you can understand what is a milestone. So now the bidder has logged in. So he has already registered with his DSC and he has awarded. So that for that particular bidder, and they have asked for the nomination, award nomination. So in the left menu of the bidders, you can see one post award management, that is the award declaration. So can we able to see this post award management of the bidders menu? So by clicking on award declaration under post award management menu, so here it is given as the bid status is requested. So out of two bidders who have been given AOC, the departmental user has created award nomination for one bidder, that is freezed and published. And now for the bidder it has come as bid status as requested. And by clicking on action, so as we mentioned some critical dates. So these are the details and what are the documents uploaded under the 6 tabs which you have seen under that. So this is the BOQ. So I have to download the BOQ. Publishing. Radhik says, before publishing post tendering, is it mandatory to give milestone? Yes. They have to give, these are the milestone, and the bidder has to see all these things, and then only they will be able to upload the documents accordingly. Because in post tendering stage they have to upload documents in time to time, means something they have to upload for some time, like that. So they know what is the milestone, because they mainly need the money. So for that they should show they have completed the work. For that they have to give some bills, they have to give some diagrams, they have photographs or whatever for completion of work. So they have to give some proof. So that proof what is required, and that based on milestone only they will say, because this is the milestone, they say up to this level comes, then only you come to me for money. That's what we are defining here, milestones. Otherwise, if you don't mention it, what they will do, they will start putting one stone and they will come and ask for money. So to avoid that, the departmental user is giving these are all the milestones. If you complete up to this level, you give the bills and the documents related to that, and we will give the physically it should be completed up to this level. Then you can claim for the financial. Actually, that is already they are using it for tender process, which are already using it. They know what is milestone and different types. That's what I told. The system is free. So for you, you can give any text here. The department user, they know it and they will put it. According to which things I can give milestones. That depends on tender to tender. Means as you take works, there will be different types of works. As I told, how the road is different from building, constructing a building. So similarly, based on if you take one water tank, they say this level, that level, then plumbing work is different, electrical work is different. So whether it is connected with this thing, that thing, so it will be like that. So we need not, as IT people, we need not worry about it. Those people who are dealing with tenders, they know very well about these things. Once you are dealing with a departmental user, you can discuss about it, and they will say we are following this for milestone like that. And now we will see how our system considers this milestone and all. So I have downloaded the BOQ. As I told earlier, the department has to use the BOQ which is mentioned for this post entry, that is post BOQ. அவங்க சிஸ்டம் என் சிஸ்டத்தில் நீங்கள் இருக்கீங்க, அதான் நான் சொன்னேன். பாருங்க, ஆல்ரெடி கனெக்ட் பண்ணி தான் வச்சுருக்கேன். So under award declaration, requested is there, bid status. I am going in. I have downloaded the BOQ. This is the BOQ. I open பண்ணிருங்க. இதை ஓப்பன் பண்ண ஷேர் ஆகாது இல்லையா? வேண்டாம், இப்போதைக்கு அப்லோட் பண்ணிட்டு then we will explain about the BOQ. Can you able to see the content of the BOQ? No, தான் வரும். No, okay. Okay, I will show the BOQ later on. Just now I will show how the flow is going on. Just uploading the BOQ. Okay, just I have downloaded the BOQ and uploading the same thing. Next, I will explain the BOQ at the next level. So this is as a regular thing. There is a security, performance security. We have asked amount. So for that, instrument number as usual, then issue date and expiry date. So amount for which excluded EMD fee. So I have to pay fully. If it is included, then that amount will be deducted and the remaining amount I have to pay. So issue details and then save. So this is the bidder part. They are submitting the document as required by the department user. So they, as I told earlier, like our cover content, I have mentioned two documents, one PDF and one BOQ XLF I asked. So now, so similarly the departmental user, how many documents they have asked, that will come over here and they have to upload. Security, performance security. So the document is to be uploaded. Some dummy document I am uploading and I am digitally signing it. Similarly, I am uploading the BOQ. So the BOQ which I have uploaded during the creation, that the department user, the bidder has downloaded it. He has made some entries and he is uploading it. The content of the BOQ I will show it. I will share it later. Now he is just uploading BOQ. So it is in desktop. So I am uploading the same BOQ. Java I signed successfully. To save. So now I am verifying it. Saving it. Similarly, I am verifying that under documents also, and I can view and I can save it. So the bidder has submitted his document and he is going to freeze. So submit uploading start date and time. Between this time he has uploaded his document, and once he frees it, it will be available for the departmental user to evaluate further and do further. So while the milestone, somebody is asking while the milestone is to be fixed with that particular time and all, because then how we will monitor the work. We have awarded AOC, and the thing is it is to be done. It is not end to end. If we allot something, we have to monitor. So now I got it connected again. I hope everybody is able to hear the voice as well as able to see the screen. Yes? Okay. Now I am continuing. So this is the thing that bidder has submitted and he is freezing it. So once he freezes it, that will come to. So here the status has been changed as replied. Earlier it was requested, now it is replied. So now the departmental user, he has to evaluate it and do it further. So this is the departmental users menu, and left menu as I told, create is over, publish is over, published will be there, and now award declaration. So here you will be able to see this bidder ID and it is replied, and view doc. This is the document which is uploaded by the bidder. Now I am sharing the yes, okay. Now I continue. So the bidders have submitted some document which is asked by the departmental user, and these are all available under award declaration. So under award declarations for that particular bidder, it was the status was replied. Now by clicking on it, I am able to see, as a departmental user, I am able to see the details and the documents. And for status, it is having three options. One is accepted, another one is rejected, and another one is recycled. If it is accepted and rejected, is regular one with reasons, and recycled means the bidder can upload the document again, which is already asked, like our shortfall document. So now I am giving accepted. Similarly, this also accepted. Submit. Select overall status. So I can give the reason and whether accepted or rejected. The recycle option, then the departmental user, again they want the same information. If they are not satisfied with the documents uploaded by the bidder, they want again send it by making some changes. So that option they are giving by recycling, again they have to send it again. So accepted. Actually, they say they have completed 20% of the work and they claim some bills. But when they see the photographs, or if they physically examine that place, they find it out that they have not completed up to that level what they are expecting. So in that case, they can ask a recycled. Similarly, for some vouchers, they may ask some more corrections. We want this, that. You cannot claim up to this amount as mentioned. You have to, like that, some clarifications they can make, and they can again ask the same documents to be uploaded after modification. For that, recycling is there. So the award is declared as accepted. After that, we have to go for work progress assessment. So this is one where this stage is over, means after award declaration, this work progress assessment. This is mainly for the M-book. So those who are already knowing tender process, they know what is M-book. M-book is the measurement book. So under this 1, 2, 3, what are they? They are from BOQ. That post BOQ, there are 3 items, 1, 2, 3. These items are coming here. For that, each and every item we have to give what is physical. At present, we are having entries up to physical only. For financial deviation delay, it is still under development. It is not yet ready. So why means we need some more inputs from the users, from the department through the NIC coordinators regarding this post entry. For that, we are waiting. We have the rough sketch only. So these options are not available at present. We can do up to physical only for each and every item. That is, here you can see units, quantity, estimated rate, awarded rate, and then physical. By clicking on this, you have to put the M-book entries, the measurement book entries, which is a common term used in all the tender process departments. Create new M-book. M-book stands for measurement book. So that is the measurement description they have to give, and whether a measurement type M3 or quantity numbers. If M3 means they have to mention length, breadth and depth. That is M cube. And quantity means you have to mention the units, measurement up to date. Measurement description. So here we have to mention, if you take services, they will not deliver all the services at a time. Part by part they will do. So similarly we can give for 10 quantity numbers, measurement up to date, how much they have completed, and remarks. Upload document is non-mandatory. So if you want, if you have something you can, otherwise you can leave it and save. Yes, please repeat from M3. Okay. Back. Okay, meantime I will show the BOQ. Then you will know how it is connected with the MBOK. So just a minute, I will share the BOQ now. Can you able to see this BOQ? Post BOQ now. Okay. So this is the BOQ which we have to use for the post entering, that is the post BOQ. So item, quantity, units, estimated rate, awarded date. After that there are so many columns. This is only one BOQ. We are not having any number of BOQs like our regular one. At present we are having only one. Based on your feedback we may go for further. So awarded rate, date of commencement of work, date of completion as per contract, budget provision for the year, estimated commitment for the rest of the year, is price variation allowed. So like that. So these are all extra columns we have provided. This should be numeric or text as mentioned. So as per the department's requirement you can make the but as usual you have to use numeric column for numeric and text column for text column. You can change the text, but the headings you can change, but the content what you have to do is you have to follow numeric or text as mentioned in this. These are all the extra columns. So you can discuss with the department and you can make this as what we can edit this BOQ, add the items. For more number of rows you can copy and paste as usual, but for columns you please use as it is. Some date columns are there, some numeric are there, some text are there. So you make use of it as per the format. So then only the system will be able to store in the database. When it is going into the database, if the database the type mismatch is there, it will not go into the table. So be precautious that the numeric should be numeric and the text and date, everything should be in this format only. More number of rows you can add by copy and insert copy itself. So this is the thing. For each and every entry we have to give MBOK. So here construction of chamber of 100 mm sluice valve. This is one item. Supplying, conveying and fixing, this is earthwork excavation. This is another work. Like that you can put any number of work as usual. And this is macros enabled. We have put some macros, so don't delete last two rows. And up to level 7 you should not make any changes except editing. So similar to that you have to follow all these things. So for item number 1 we have to make MBOK entries like quantity 17, it is reading from this and it is showing there, and units, estimated rate, awarded rate, you will be able to see all these things from here and that will get reflected at the MBOK entries. So the MBOK entries are related with each and every row of the BOQ, post BOQ. So what I have to do after award of contract, I have to give the money based on the completion of the work. If he comes and says I have finished 10 quantity, so I have to make some entries. He has finished 10 based on some document which he has uploaded. I have to confirm it, and I have to, sometimes physical verification is also there. So I can do physical verification. I can take something and I can upload my documents, or some evaluation committee or inspection people will come and they will inspect, they will certify. That certificate also I will take and I will upload. So all these things I have to do during post entry. Then I have to release the money. So this is the BOQ part. So apart from this, we are having some physical progress, financial progress, and budget monitoring statement. These are all the other sheets which are available along with BOQ. At present, we are not having any relation with the system